Hugging Face, one of the biggest platforms for open source AI, is exploring a potential sale that could value the company at $13 billion or even more, according to Business Insider. The New York-based company is working with a bank to gauge interest from potential buyers. However, there is no confirmed deal yet, but if a transaction happens at that valuation, it would be a huge jump from the company's last funding round. Now, Hugging Face was valued at $4.5 billion in 2023, when it raised $235 million from investors, including Google, Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, Intel, IBM, Qualcomm, and Salesforce. Now, a $13 billion deal would nearly triple that valuation in 3 years. And there is a reason investors are looking at Hugging Face differently today. Hugging Face has in fact grown into one of the central platforms for the open source AI ecosystem. The company had 13 million users in 2025, according to its own data. Its platform hosts more than 2 million public models and 500,000 data sets. And the number of models has now crossed 3 million. Developers use the platform to discover models and data sets in AI applications, while companies use its tools to build, fine-tune, and deploy AI systems. That by itself gives Hugging Face something that can be difficult to replicate: a huge developer community and a massive library for AI assets. And the platform importance is not really limited to the US. Hugging Face says that China accounted for 41% of downloads over the past year, making it the largest source of downloads on the platform. China has in fact also surpassed the US in both monthly and overall downloads. Hugging Face does not need to build the world's fastest or smartest model to be valuable. Its business sits one layer below the model makers. Developers can find models from companies, research groups, and independent developers all in one place. They can download them, experiment with them, fine-tune them, and build applications around them. And the ecosystem is becoming increasingly driven by independent developers. Hugging Face says that independent developers now account for 39% of downloads, up from 17% before 2022. The company is no longer focused only on language and AI models. Hugging Face acquired French robotics startup Poland Robotics in 2025 and has been building its open source robotics platform called LayRobot. The company says robotics data sets on Hugging Face jumped from 1,145 in 2024 to 26,991 in 2025. Now, the reported $13 billion valuation comes at an interesting time. Stripe is reportedly acquiring AI model routing platform OpenRouter for around $8 billion. OpenRouter and Hugging Face are very different businesses, but they point to the same trend. You do not necessarily need to build a frontier AI model to become a multi-billion-dollar AI company. You can own the infrastructure and distribution layer around those models. Now, before we get to the front page take, from Hollywood caliber creative tech to enterprise AI and fintech infrastructure, the latest additions to Cypher 2026 span literally every corner of the tech ecosystem. Hear directly from Vatsal Sheth on creative tech innovation, Varun Nagalia on enterprise transformation, and Rishabh Goyal on the future of financial risk and scoring. Step out of the background loop and join the leaders shaping 2026 and beyond. That being said, here's the front page take on the story. The AI race is creating a new kind of winner. You do not necessarily need to build the smartest model. You can own the place where developers find the models, where they download them and fine-tune them and build on top of them. Hugging Face has spent years building that layer. Now, someone may be willing to pay $13 billion for it. And if that deal happens, it could be another sign that the biggest opportunities in artificial intelligence are moving well beyond the models themselves. So let us know what you think in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, think AI, think AIM.